In this problem, it says determine the point of intersection of the line that passes through 5, -3 that is perpendicular to the line x equals 4. So if we graph this, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So here is our point, 5, -3. Now the line x equals 4 is right here. X equals 4. But this is not the line we're talking about. We want the line that goes through this point and is perpendicular to x equals 4. Well, this is going to be a horizontal line, y equals -3. And the line passing through 6, 1, all right, so here is 6, 1, that is parallel to the line x equals 8. Well, x equals 8 is out over here. So if it's going to run parallel, then that's going to be vertical. So we have x equals 6. All right. So we want to know where's the intersection of the line x equals 6 and y equals -3. Well, it has an x value of 6 and a y value of -3. Because on this line, the x values are all the same. On this line, all the y values are the same. So 6, -3 is where they intersect. There's our answer, and we're done.